Hello, niece and nephew. Welcome to Timmy's cooking show. No, I'm just kidding. Hello, everybody watching. My name is Nathan from class 9E, and I'm going to show you how I made a fruit wine using lychee and lemon as the fruit. I hope my video can help you make a fruit wine, an easy way to make fruit wine, and I just hope the wine tastes delicious. Thank you. Let's start the video. So this is our ingredients. We have pectic enzyme, wine yeast, diammonium phosphate, and the sodium metasphalite. I'm going to use 1 lemon, 500 grams of sugar, and 4 cans of lychee, and 2 jars with airlocks. So first off, we're going to open the cans of lychee. This is actually very hard, and I almost broke my nail doing this. And I'm going to only use the lychee, not the juice or water. This is the first time. The second, the third can, and the last can, the fourth can. And I'm going to throw the cans away for now. I'm going to take the lychee out of the juice, and I'm going to separate the lychee fruit out of the juice. Okay, now I've separated all of the fruit, and now I'm going to not blend, like smoothen up the lychee, not until, well, as smooth as a smoothie, but it's going to be kind of thick. Now all of the lychee has been blended up, and it turned out to be like a smoothie. I'm just going to clean it up a bit because it was kind of messy all over the table and even to the floor. And after this, I'm going to, throw the tissue first. And right now, I'm going to have to grate the lemon to get lemon zest. And I'm going to need a bit much, so the wine will have a bit of zesty or acidity flavor. Now I'm done grating the lemon, and as you can see, I have gotten the lemon zest. And I'm also going to juice the lemon. I'm going to cut the lemon in half. Alright, now I have cut the lemon in half, 2 equal sized lemons, and I'm going to use this thing, I don't know what it's called, to strain the lemon juice. And I'm going to immediately put the juice in the must. Hold up. Okay, so this is the must. Right now it has only the lychee, and now I'm going to add the juice. And yeah, that's the first lemon. And now I'm going to use the second half of the lemon. After putting in the juice of 1 lemon, now I'm going to add the lemon zest, starting from the ones on the grater. And you can see there's also a lot, and and these are the one that I managed to grade. And right now the must has the lychee, the blended lychee, the lemon juice, and also the lemon zest. I don't really know what the taste will be like when it's done, but I just hope it will taste good. Now I'm going to add 1.5 liters of water. I'm pouring 8 bottles because, yeah, and I'm going to mix the warm water with 500 grams of sugar. Now I have opened it, and since the bag is 1000 grams, I'm going to have to use the weighing machine to calculate 500 grams of sugar. Okay, and that is 500 grams. I'm going to put it in the warm water, and as you can see, it turned kind of yellow. I'm going to mix it thoroughly, and after mixing and mixing, I'm going to add the water into the jar. Now I'm done mixing it, and I have already put the must and the sugar water in 2 jars, and right now I'm supposed to mix with a Camden tablet, which helps kill the bacteria, the bad bacteria in the must. Now I've mixed in the Camden tablet with the first jar. I'm going to close it so the fermentation process can start in the first one. And I'm going to mix the Camden tablet in the second jar. By the way, I'm only using half of 1 Camden tablet in each jar, so that not all the bacteria dies. Now I'm already done, and I have to cover it for 12 hours with a cloth in a dark room temperature. A dark room at room temperature. Okay, today is day 2. Yesterday was day 1, and today I'm going to add the pectic enzyme and the wine yeast. Okay, now I'm going to add the pectic enzyme first, which helps speed up the fruit breakdown. I'm supposed to add 1 teaspoon to the must, but since I put the must in 2 different jars, I'm going to add half a teaspoon to 1 jar and the other half into the second jar. And I had to stir the must after adding the pectic enzyme, and I will be doing the same to the yeast nutrient, which helps speed up the fermentation process. And I'm also supposed to add 1 teaspoon, so I'll just put half of teaspoon in each jar. After adding the pectic enzyme and the yeast nutrient and stirring it thoroughly, I'm going to add the wine yeast, and it is said that I'm just supposed to put it on the surface and I should not stir it. And this is day 3, and I'm supposed to stir it daily for 10 days. But I'm not going to bore you with me stirring for 10 whole days, so I'm just going to skip it until day 10. Today is day 10 of the fermentation process, or the first fermentation process, and it is said it is supposed to be active, the fermentation. And how to check it is to check for bubbles, and I don't know if you can see it, but in my POV I can see the bubbles going from the bottom to the top of the must. This is day 11, and now I'm supposed to check the must for 10 days again, and as you can see, it is starting to clear up. And now I'm not supposed to stir it daily anymore, so I'm just going to check it every day. And like I said, I'm not going to bore you, so I'll just skip it until day 20. Today is day 20, and today I'm supposed to siphon the wine, leaving the fruit, the sediment, and just taking the water or the juice or the wine. Now I'm already done siphoning the wine, but I accidentally put too much of the wine into the wine bottle, so I'm just going to pour some of the wine into the jar so it just doesn't get too full. And that's day 20 done, and I'm supposed to again wait for 10 days, and on day 30 I'm supposed to not siphon actually, but just pour the clear wine and leaving the yeast in the jar. Thank you. Today is day 30, and I'm just going to pour it, not using a spoon, not using anything. I'm just going to use a chorong, and then I need somebody, and that is my dad's hand holding the chorong so the chorong will not fall. And I'm just going to pour it, but sadly some of them fell down to the table, but a lot of them actually went into the bottle. And as you can see, I'm only pouring the wine and leaving the yeast in the jar. And that is day 30 done, and this is the last time you'll see me. Goodbye. Hello, this is me after finishing the wine, and I'm just really sick because I have a headache, I'm having the flu, and I just want to be in bed, but I just have to finish the video first. I want to say thank you to all of you watching. I hope you like my video, and I also hope my video can help you make a fruit wine an easy way to make fruit wine. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.